Welcome to Module 11 on Vocabulary Part 1. There is so much we could cover in vocabulary it could be its own class, but we only have 2 modules to cover the topic in this course. This module we will address mainly what is vocabulary, why is it important to teach vocabulary, components of effective vocabulary programs, word learning strategies, word conscientiousness, what words are most important to teach, and the 3 tiers of vocabulary instruction. Why teach vocabulary? Vocabulary is essential for comprehension. It is difficult to comprehend what one reads without assessing the meanings of the individual words in the text. Word meanings are represented in our lexicon, our mental dictionary. Our lexicon is stored in the meaning processor. Our model of reading, identifying a word through its letter patterns, through the orthographic processor, involves simultaneously stimulating the word pronunciation in the phonological processor and its meaning, stored in the meaning processor. The more words whose meanings are known, the easier the task of comprehending. When we teach vocabulary, we are building and expanding our students' meaning processors. Vocabulary knowledge also aids in reading fluency. Even if a word has never before been encountered in text, its meaning can help speed its identification. When the unfamiliar printed form of a word is encountered in text, the meaning of the surrounding sentences helps the brain access a possible meaning for the word. The phonemes in that word can then be mapped to the graphemes in the printed word to confirm the word's identity. If there is no stored meaning for an unknown printed word, it takes longer to decode it and slows reading rate as well as impacts comprehension. Word learning begins early in life before formal schooling. Not all children come to school with the same level of vocabulary. However, for some children, vocabulary instruction is more critical than for others. In this module, you will have one main reading about direct and rich vocabulary instruction. Additionally, you will read about choosing words to teach on the Reading Rockets website, and then read one journal article about vocabulary development during read-alouds. You have 2 voiced-over presentations to watch on vocabulary this module. Be sure to know which 3 vocabulary strategies in the Vocabulary Part 2 presentation you may be interested in trying. This will come in handy for your application of instructional methods on vocabulary assignment that will be due soon. In this assignment, you will test and write about 3 vocabulary strategies. More on this assignment can be found online if you would like to get started on it early. There is no publisher presentation this module as we are not using Bursic and Damer this module. Finally, please take your quiz for this module. After this, we just have 4 more modules to go. Can you believe it? You guys are almost done with this course. Keep on working hard and keep it up. Let me know if you need any help or ever have any questions.